In this video I just want to introduce something I've bought recently, and it's these chalk markers. They're a bit like dry markers that you use on whiteboards, but they're based on chalk, and as long as the surface is smooth you're able to wipe it off and start again. So they're non-permanent and only suitable for non-porous surfaces like glass, very smooth plastic, windows, whiteboard markers, but you've got to test the area before you use them. Anyway, I just want to show you. I've never used them before, so I'm new to it anyway. As you can see on the board, I've just been messing around with them. Let's just take out this purple one for a start. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll take out the orange one. I'll show you what we do. You're supposed to shake them for about 15 seconds. And then once you've done that, in fact I'll show you a new one that I haven't used. Let's use green. And it'll show you the reality of what you do. So you shake it up now, you can hear it. Like there's something inside it. So you're supposed to shake it for about 10 or 15 seconds. And then when you take the tip off, that's what it looks like inside. And that's before the ink, or the chalk ink, has come round. So I'm just going to, this is plastic so I'll use it here. You've got to pump it. Let's do it vertically. And you'll see when it starts coming through, the green ink. It takes a while, but once it starts, that's it. It seems to, you can see this just starting to come through on that tip now, look. There, so keep it going. I'm just going to turn it. You can see now it's starting to make a spot there, look. So that's good enough. So let me just write on here then the board. Now this particular board I've made with just a normal picture with some white paper behind it, which I need to replace to get some better white paper. It's just a photograph that I turn around, and I've got glass on top of it, but ideally a non-reflective glass would be better, as long as it's got a smooth surface. So I don't know, let's just, when you're doing these, you've got to do it really slow with this. If you do it too fast, you end up having to go back over the lines. So I don't know, let's just do a scroll, okay? So you can see there, it's a nice little thing to use, these pens. Just join that up there. And I'll just put chalk pen markers. So I'll just pop the lid back on and show you what I've got. I've just got a flannel, face flannel, dampened, and I'm just going to wipe this off now. Even if you leave that on for days at a time, you can just spritz it with a bit of water in here. I nicked it off the wife. Just spray it like that. And just leave it on for a little while. You can see now it's starting to come off, look, it's starting to drain down. And that's it. Bingo, look at that. Straight off. On there. Second run through it. And then what I do then is I just get some tissues. Actually kitchen roll is better because these leave little bits. So a kitchen roll is better than these tissues. See that on there, look, that's the remnants that remained on there even though you couldn't see it. So make sure it's bone dry before you start again. So let me just show you the chalk markers. This is the particular brand I've used. It's the first time I've ever tried them, like I said. So I'm not recommending any particular brand over another. This just happens to be the one I've bought. I think it was like £10 for the packet, or £8. And you can see the nice kind of luminous colours. Obviously the white will be no good with the white background, but I can change this, put black paper in there, and that should be fine. So anyway, look out for my next videos showing the progress of this. I'm just going to do drawings, and I'm going to try different pens. In fact, let me just show you this other set that I've got. Now this is a different set. This is a permanent one, and it's acrylic pens, so I'm going to be using those, not on here, but I'm going to be colouring a stone ornament for the garden. So look out for that one. And I'll be doing lots more with these. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, share the video, give us a thumbs up if you like the video, give us a thumbs down if you hate it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.